Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, June 17th, 2015. It's been a slow week so far. I thought we were going to get some excitement after Monday morning's dip, but that recovered. And then Tuesday, I'll show you the intraday action was not very exciting until the whole move of the day really happened over lunch on the lightest volume. Just means the sellers were gone and nothing else going on. Here's a look at the ES daily chart. Again, we had hit that 20.6250 yesterday. That's that key magnet level that the market's been stuck on since November. I don't really need to regurgitate that every day, so we'll skip it. I'm sure you know that we're in no man's land and been there for a while. This is extremely unexciting, generally speaking. The S&P gained 11 back. That's basically recovered the prior day's loss. The NDX gained 23. We had the SOX up 2. And we had the biotechs up 8.5 or so, which is nothing, right on that 10-day moving average. Look how flat that moving average has gotten. I mean, look at this chart. This is the biotech index going back, almost a year. You don't find a lot of times where that moving average gets as flat as it has been here for a while now. Google gained almost 2 points, which keeps it in the middle of nowhere. Apple up 68 cents, also dead flat since February. Got the VIX down 58 to 1481. 10-day moving average there is 1424. Crude oil back over 60, but just barely. Gold down 3.30 cents, also flat. We've got the TRIN closed today at 0.83. 10-day moving average is 1.14. There's no danger zone there at all. Taking a look at volume, 1.5 billion shares on the NASDAQ, down from Monday's start of the week. And, of course, not as bad as Friday when we had the futures contract roll. So what do we have left? We've started a 2-day Fed meeting. And so that means the Fed announcement will be Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time with the press conference to follow 30 minutes later. We'll be looking for a three-wave phenomenon, as we usually do, guiding you through that in the lab as it happens. Not sure if we'll get it or not. Also, this is triple expiration week, so we usually get an options unraveling move. Could occur on Wednesday or Thursday, potentially. Depends if they hold off because of the Fed. So we will see how that plays out, but we'll be looking for that. That usually starts after the first hour's play on whichever day it occurs. In terms of other economic data, MBA mortgage index at 7 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning. Crude oil inventory is an hour in. And then Thursday, we've got a bunch. We've got the weekly initial and continuing jobless claims data. We've got CPI, which is a big one. We've got the current account balance. And then inside the market, we've got the Philly Fed, leading indicators, and natty gas. So Thursday will probably be the more exciting day of the week, even more so if they save the options unraveling for that. Friday is options expiration, triple expiration. Expect to see a lot of volume going nowhere as they roll everything out to the stocks and close out the positions. Should be a dead day on Friday. Let's take a look at the ES 5-minute chart. So you can see Monday we gapped down big and inched back up and then flatlined for the last 4 hours of the day. Tuesday we opened flat. We had this one big candle. The second candle of the day was the biggest candle we've had in a while. And I thought, wow, maybe we're going to finally get something going here. And instead we fell into a more than an hour range stuck inside that candle, as you can see. And then over lunch finally broke out and drifted higher. And when they came back from lunch at 1400 on the chart, dead flat line. Look at that, a 3-point range for the last 2 hours of the day. That did fill the gap from the prior day. So like I said, we've basically put ourselves right back where we were. Here's the NQs. You can see this one closed right where we were Friday at the close. So pretty unexciting stuff. Again, we'll see if the Fed announcement does anything. And if not, try to find something to do at least in the first 60 or 90 minutes of the day. Look for that options unraveling after the first hour, and then do the same on Thursday. Probably Thursday will be the more exciting day, but you just never know. That's why we show up every day. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. We will be in the lab. If you have not taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so we can help you out for a couple of weeks. If you do find these videos useful, please like them on YouTube. It does help us out. Have a good trading Wednesday.